Hello there, Python adventurer. So, we've mastered control flow statements, and now we're gearing up for a new adventure, functions. Think of functions as your superhero gadgets for crafting smart, organized, and repeatable code. They're like magic spells that help you get things done faster and more efficiently. In Python, functions are blocks of reusable code that perform a specific task. They are defined using the def keyword, followed by the function name, a pair of parentheses, and a colon. The function body is indented, and it contains the code that performs the desired actions. Let's break down the components. Def, the keyword used to declare a function. Function_name, the name of the function, which follows the same naming rules as variables. Parameters, input values that the function accepts. They are optional and can be omitted if the function doesn't require any input. Function body, the indented block of code that defines the tasks the function will perform. Return, an optional keyword used to return a value from the function. If omitted, the function returns none by default. To call a function in Python, you use the function name followed by parentheses. You can provide any required arguments inside the parentheses. Here's a simple example using a function named print_greeting. This function will print the hello world message when called from anywhere. Here's a simple example of a function that adds two numbers. This function is named add_numbers, and it takes in two numbers as inputs x and y. Inside the function, it adds these two numbers together and stores the result in a variable named result. Finally, it uses the return keyword to send this result back to whoever called the function. Learning Python functions is a crucial step in becoming a proficient Python programmer, and here's why. Functions allow you to break down your code into smaller, manageable pieces. This makes your code modular and easier to understand, maintain, and debug. Once you define a function, you can reuse it in different parts of your program or even in other projects. This promotes code reuse and saves you from writing the same code multiple times. In summary, mastering Python functions is not just about learning a specific syntax, it's about adopting a powerful programming concept that enhances your ability to write clear, efficient, and maintainable code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding functions is a key step in becoming proficient with Python or any other programming language.